just the capabilities that we've got with our 3D printing capabilities. We're able to 3D print fixtures, 3D print different components that help us lay out the specific armrest that we're working on. We also have the capabilities of running a CNC machine to rapid prototype brackets or any type of a boss or a component that we need to put onto an armrest. Being able to do that same day and test fit up a component makes us come to market insanely fast. Right now we have a 3D printer that has a 2 foot deep, 4 foot wide, and a 2.5 foot tall print bed print capabilities. So we're able to do entire armrest assemblies that are maybe 24 inches long in this printer. So we're able to print out this component. It might take a day or two to run that specific print, but we're able to lay that out, make modifications. So with these armrests, we're able to move them forward, move them back. We're able to lay out simulations with people being 5th percentile, 95th percentile. We're able to show the armrest specific movement there. We're able to raise the armrest up and out of the way. We can spin it over to the side to get to allow the operator to move in and out of the cab appropriately. We have some other capabilities where we can put gas shocks on that armrest, so it dampens the movement as it goes up or comes down, as well as add detents in there for specific positions. The ergonomics for the operator's joystick is better in one position or the other. With these armrests, we're constantly trying to make the components better. We're trying to improve the plastics. We're trying to improve the ergonomics of the components that we're putting in there. Add different joysticks, add different capabilities, more switches, you name it, we're putting different components in there. Having the capabilities on site to rapid prototype those things, prove out to the customer that this component's going to work for their application, and then being able to deliver those systems